to the point, by the time I met her, she had already been involved in the law school's legal services project, and she'd been influenced by Marian Wright Edelman. She took a summer internship interviewing workers in migrant camps for Senator Walter Mondale's subcommittee. She'd also begun working in the Yale New Haven Hospital to develop procedures to handle suspected child abuse cases. She got so involved in children's issues that she actually took an extra year in law school, working at the Child Study Center to learn what more could be done to improve the lives and the futures of poor children. So she was already determined to figure out how to make things better. Hillary opened my eyes to a whole new world of public service by private citizens. In the summer of 1972, she went to Dothan, Alabama, to visit one of those segregated academies that then enrolled over 500,000 white kids in the South. The only way the economics worked is that they claimed federal tax exemptions to which they were not legally entitled. She got sent to prove they weren't. So she sauntered into one of these academies all by herself, pretending to be a housewife that had just moved to town and needed to find a school for her son. And they exchanged pleasantries, and finally she said, "Look, let's just get to the bottom line here. If I enroll my son in this school, will he be in a segregated school, yes or no?" And the guy said, "Absolutely." She had him. I've seen it 1,000 times since. And she went back, and her encounter was part of a report that gave Marian Wright Edelman the ammunition she needed to keep working, to force the Nixon administration to take those tax exemptions away and give our kids access to an equal education.